So what's pattern altitude out here?
1700.
All right, so careful with any more descent until you got the go down going and the gear and the flaps. Get out of sweep sequence on it.
Manual. Landing light.
$500.
Go with second flaps. You're pushing power up. You're almost out of flap range. There you go. This is looking good. Keep the climb to the last minute. Defend that threshold. Stay with it. Left thumb up on the trim. Be ready. And now you're going to use trim to arrest the descent. Do that now. Arrest the descent now. Yep. Yep. You don't need left rudder for this one. You do not. Right rudder is what it's going to take. Like that.
Airspeed.
So I see what's confusing you. You feel like you need to bring the nose back. But as soon as you bring the nose up, it's going back over there to the left. So left rudder's getting you in trouble.
Airspeed.
So just to Scoche your right rudder when you raise the nose and stop the drift with the left aileron. Did you see how that goes?
Right.
I know it seems counterintuitive, but if you do it enough, you'll come to realize that when you raise the nose, it's going to the left. And there's nothing you can do about it with left rudder. So it'll work out. Nice job. Good flight. Lots going on. Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Delta 641.
Train off it.